Hi, my name is Manoj. Welcome to Manoyogi YouTube channel. Today you are here for April Yoga Challenge 2020, day 12. And today's yoga asana is Utkatasana, the chair pose. We are squatting a little bit, bending a little bit as like you are sitting on a baby chair. This pose is extremely beneficial to improve the health of your ankles, your shin, your calf, your knees, your thighs and hips. This pose is also very important for your Swadishthan chakra as well. So let's get it started. I show you first how to do it in two variations, a simple and more advanced variation, and then we do it for 3 rounds for 5 breaths. Let's get it started. Okay, so Utkatasan, 2 variation. In the simple variation, we're opening the feet hip wide, parallel with the hips, bending the knee, and gently we're pressing the hips out and bringing the hands up. Hands are just on the top of the ears and stretching out. Deep breathing in, deep breathing out, and pushing the hips out. Staying here for the count of 5. That is a simple variation. Now we do it in more advanced variation. In that, both feet are together, both knees are together, hips are engaged and pressed upward, inhaling deep. Inhale, deep exhale for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly coming back in the center. So that is Utkatasan. We do it now for 3 times with 5 breaths. So a very powerful pose to improve the strength at your joint, on your hips, your knees, your ankles, and very good for the sacral chakra as well. So let's get it started for 3 times. Inhaling deep, both feet are together. In more advanced variation, the simple variation, open the feet up, apart, hip apart, inhaling deep, gently going up. Hips are pressing out, hands are parallel on the top of the ears and deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly and gracefully, we're coming back in the center. Exhale there. Inhaling deep. Let's get it started again. 1. Slow breathing. 2. 3. 4, 5. Inhale deep, slowly and gently. We're coming back in the center. Exhale. Relax. Very good for the thigh. Last time. Deep inhalation, going up. 1. Slow and deep breathing. 2. 3. 4. Very good. 5. Inhale deep, slowly, gently, going straight. Exhale. You feel this is very powerful pose. You start to sweat in that. Now slowly and gently, sitting down, gently lay down. And let go the control from your body and relax for a while before getting on with your day. Deep breathing. That was it. April Yoga Challenge 2020, day number 12. You are doing really good. Today's yoga asana is very good to improve the strength in your legs. This is very important for your lower back as well. Also the sacral part of the spine. Very good. You have done excellent. I want to congratulate you for the day number 12. You have done great. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your day. And thank you so much. My name is Manoj and you're watching Manoyogi YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow again. Bye.